All right, here we go. Your hat's not gonna fly off, is it? No, dude, I'm telling you. I don't think there's anything to tell you about it. It's really hard to get into neutral. It's a quick shifter, but don't shift from first to second. Use the clutch to shift through neutral. Oh yeah, also, if you want to use the quick shifter, you gotta commit to your shift. So like, don't just tap it because it'll cut, but it won't shift. If you're gonna shift, bump it. All right. Ooh. The bars are so weird. Oh, this is so comfy. Oh my gosh. Why is it flashing at me? You good? This is so comfy. I want it naked. Woo. This is so comfy! Okay, brakes are good. I can just do whatever I want. Oh my gosh. Oh, I want to naked so bad. There's so much twist to the throttle, like, mine's pretty touchy. No clutch. This is nice. Oh, dude, I gotta get it naked. I gotta. I feel like I don't belong. Oh my gosh. You want to keep going or you want to stop here? Huh? Okay, alright. Let's go through and go back on this other road. It's so rideable, dude. It's like, oh my gosh, what am I doing on a Daytona on the street? Yeah, dude, the throttle response is chill. All right, let's go. Yeah. Oh, now I can go behind you. Oh, she sounds so good. I can just stand up. What up? That's sick. La 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 la. I'm getting a naked. That settles it. I want one. The turning radius on this is so much tighter. Nice! Wait, so this is like broke in, right? Okay, okay. Oh, I want to, oh my gosh, dude. I can ride this all day. Ah! Your tack is like flashing at me, and I don't know if that's a bad thing, or if you have to like, do you have to go into the settings and like change it, or yeah, right at 4K it starts flashing like I need a shift. Is that just a setting in here you change? Oh, that's so nice. The ride-by-wire is so weird. Wait, no, you have a cable? Do you? Yeah, I think you have a cable. I couldn't tell if it was a e-throttle or if it was a cable. I have no idea. It looks like you have a cable. Yeah, I think you have a cable. I love this, dude. Let's just trade bikes. I should have just came down and rode it. Dude, this is it. I gotta get one. I gotta get a naked. It's just like, now I'm gonna get back on that and hate it. Alright, let's go up here. Chandler Park, what are you doing? Come on. Alright. People are just clueless, man. The old dippy whippy. I wanted to try to wheelie it, but I don't want to do that to your bike. Oh, it would probably do fourth. Oh yeah. Oh, it's all technique. All it is getting used to the power delivery and then learning clutch ups. I mean, yeah, it'll come up. I don't know where to pull off. Like a oh, what is this back here? Oh yeah, I've been back here before. Dude, and I could just pop it into neutral. Oh yeah, look at you over there. Look at you over there struggling. Look. That's sick, dude. I like it. That kind of like sold it for me. Yeah. Did you get on it at all? We kind of went through town.
I got on it like on the highway a little bit, to where like I was able to use the quick shifter.
Yeah.
I didn't mess up or anything. It went smooth.
Yeah. What? It's really easy on that. That won't. After you feel this shifter, that'll feel a lot looser. Honestly.
Oh, God, I already that's how tight that was.
Yeah. All right. I guess I'll freaking ride mine home.